Okay, so I haven't done a video for quite some time. Um, I've had, you know, several dreams, but I haven't really put a video together for those dreams. One of my dreams about 2 weeks ago was I saw a group of women that were in extremely conservative clothing, dressed almost like the Amish Mennonite kind of look. They had a white head covering on their heads. They had white blouses and sweaters on and a blue skirt. Um, but the skirt didn't seem to fit the conservative um, of the Amish or Mennonite, or even the Brethren. Um, the skirts were to their knees, not to their ankles, like most Amish are pretty close to the ankle, maybe a little above, just so their shoes don't hit their skirts. But anyway, so that dream, I saw only five um, young girls, and they seemed to. Uh, um, what I got from who they were was the five good maidens, based on scripture about the five good maidens and the five kind of lazy maidens who did not prepare for the coming of the bridegroom. And then I'm going to get to, and yeah. So then today I fell asleep on the couch after sometime this morning. Briefly left the TV on, but the TV was on Tappy T's piano keys, worship. Let me see. It's the meditation, 3-hour piano meditation. And it comes up with different scriptures and that. So there's no verbal anything in the background. And I was the only one home with my 6 dogs, and my dogs don't speak English. They speak dog. So I was in this, I guess, in a dream state, and I heard, it sounded like a newscaster saying, California has been hit with a 9.2 earthquake. And I was like, huh? And then I heard what sounded like a airplane pilot conveying to the people on the plane through the intercom, prepare, prepare, prepare. And he was yelling into the speaker. And that's all. And I woke up. I was in shock. I was like, prepare for what? So I'm just going to leave that one out there. I think that based on the good maidens and the earthquake, which the Lord had showed me before was going to happen to California, and the fact that the last one is peculiar. It sounded like I was on an airplane, like you were preparing. And usually they tell you brace, 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 not prepare, prepare, prepare. So I'm thinking it's all the above. Prepare, 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 brace, brace, brace. Things are going to get a little rough. And I don't mean just in California. This may be centralized to California. It could be to the states next to California. It could be all the way to the whole country. I don't know. It could even be the entire world. Just prepare, prepare, prepare. That's basically it. So, let me see. So, I think that's it. But whatever the Lord places on your heart, guides you. We're not to be of fear. We are not to be of the only one we are to comply with or submit to is the will of God. And He has not given us a spirit of fear. He has given us His Spirit with His sound mind and His sound judgment and guidance. I would say pray. Ask Him for what direction He wants you to go, what direction He wants you to prepare for. That's pretty much it. Be good to one another, pray for one another, and ask whom the Lord is going to bring into your life and be a blessing to others. And God's peace, shalom, be with you. And God bless.